Minecraft video, and today LJP made a food grinder, but I made it upgraded from it. So here's what I made. Yeah, looks scrappy but works great. Yeah, and it's automatic, so you don't have to like fly up and just put some things here. Only thing you have to do is put some cows in this tube and just block it like this with any blocks, not that paint though. So first thing you do, first thing you do is just put some cows or pigs, but cow will be way better. Cow will be way better because pigs can escape. Some of them will go up. Some of them will go up eventually, yeah, and they will actually start to drown. So you just do this, and they will fly up like my firecracker video, and they'll go up. They'll fall down the tube with the water. I want them to drown a little bit, so they can just get lava, and they will now breed. They'll have like 1 heart left or so. So here we go. There's some leather. There's some food, and some of them cannot be cooked because you have to get glass pane to work it. So you want it to cook perfect. You can just do this. So yeah. So that's like in the firecracker video. Animal should go up like this, facing the sun, and they will come here and follow the current like this. Actually, I'm gonna show you with myself. So animals goes in a tube. They go up and follow the current. Drop down and go and burn to death. Yeah, that's how it works. And you wanna escape, you can just escape by doing this. Yeah. So as you can see, I'll show you how to make this. Okay. So you need a tube like this. I'll just 1, 2, 3. You can do about how many? You can do about like about 20 or 15 to 20, and make this drop like this high, and make a water current. Put a sign there and here to make lava stationary, and the cows or pigs will go here, burn up, and give you the cooked things. And why did I do with glass pane? Because this is half, so I can just pick up food easily. Yeah. So yeah, that's how you do it. LJP, learn from me because I'm better. Learn from me to learn. Oh yeah, and pick a higher than this level, because then it'll go up, and this bottom guys will drown. And look at that. This is perfect. Like, look at this. And the fruits can burn in lava, but this is This is way effective in survival because you don't have to fly or make a ladder to go up. And it's very comfortable because you can just do this and just catch the food, do this and catch the food, do this and catch the food, and do this and catch the food. Yeah, way easier. Way easier, man, way easier. So, they sometimes drop letter, and yeah. Let's do it with the pigs. And chickens doesn't work because they actually drown. They actually drown quickly because they have only like little bit of hearts. It doesn't work. Chicken will go up the firecracker. It won't go up the firecracker because, you know, they're entities. So, yeah, that's how it works. LJP, learn from me because I'm like this Minecraft tutorial master and stuff. JK, like, I'm not the master, but I'm just good at it. Yeah, so I hope you all enjoyed. My name is ZeroLab, and LJP, learn from me, and subscribe to LJP as well in the description below. Subscribe to him. He makes good videos and stuff. He makes survival series and these tutorials stuff. A jigger. He made a hidden chest, and I didn't know that was even possible. Yeah. So I hope you enjoyed. And you can just copy this and have fun with your foods. Oh yeah, and sheep. Sheep. I want to do a sheep. Oh my god. Sheep. I can't, I can't see their colors from under their thing. So, let's try it. The babies will die, of course, because this is like foolproof stuff. And some of the babies will not die. Oh, there's a black one. No, didn't get the black wool. However, hope you guys enjoyed, and bye. I'll make. Bye.